It's no secret that nerve pain can interrupt your day-to-day routine and become debilitating. However, relieving the pain doesn't have to be complicated. You can do it while at home. Most of these methods do not require any special equipment or a trip to the doctor's office, making them quick and effective. Try one of these home remedies for nerve pain next time you experience it. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can help treat many types of illnesses, including helping to relieve nerve pain. The minerals found in it, like magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, and potassium, are all essential for getting rid of nerve pain. Also a great anti-inflammatory agent, apple cider vinegar can help combat the inflammation caused by nerve pain. To reap the benefits of apple cider vinegar, just mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of the vinegar in a glass of warm water. You can add a teaspoon of organic honey to help it taste better. Drink this concoction twice a day for a few weeks, and you should start to feel less pain. 2. Turmeric. This super spice is loaded with health benefits, including helping relieve nerve pain. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can be added to your diet to help improve your pain. As a way to add turmeric to your diet, combine 1 to 2 teaspoons of it with warm milk. Drink the mixture while it's hot. Repeat this once a day for about a week to see results. 3. Benfodiumine. Take at least 600 milligrams of benfodiumine on a daily basis. If you have peripheral nerve damage, this is a powerful version of vitamin B1, which penetrates deep into your nerve cells in order to heal them from oxidative damage, especially if you have diabetes. 4. Alpha-lipoic acid. Take a daily supplement of alpha-lipoic acid, a powerful antioxidant which is often used to reverse nerve damage. Studies show that this helps your body regenerate nerves and reduces the damage caused by high blood sugars. 5. Eat oily fish. Cut back on refined carbohydrates and sugary foods because these all cause damage to your nerves. Switch these out for oily fish like wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and also provide the raw material to build new neurons and nerves. 6. Get more sleep. High levels of stress can raise cortisol, a stress hormone in your body, that can overburden your nervous system, causing nerve damage. Adding an extra 1 or 2 hours of sleep per day, even if it's an app, can help to calm down stress hormones and therefore help your body to heal. These are some of the most well-studied remedies to help reverse new neuropathy and all kinds of nerve damage. It's also extremely important that you cut out foods which contain omega-6 fatty acids, such as vegetable oils, trans fats, and fast foods. Omega-6 cause inflammation in the nerves and can be highly damaging to those with existing nerve damage, replacing these with healthier fats that actually lower inflammation, like extra virgin olive oil, raw coconut oil, cod liver,